Oh.
So, but we got this is black, but we got the white one. I like white than black.
I like white.
Yeah. Hello everyone! Welcome back again to our
Channel.
and we are the
Team Glico.
and today's video we're going to unbox the smart personal robot cameraman. It says here 360 rotation, object tracking, facial tracking, and smart shoot. So you don't need anyone already to hold your camera. Just use this one. Na-curious lang ako, so we have to try it. Let's go and unbox. Let's go! Let's see what this is. Na-curious lang. And we got this one from Amazon.
Yeah, we have and buy this.
Here.
Oh. They have batteries. They have batteries.
Yeah, there is a battery. The battery is what's this? What number?
Number.
Double A. Double A battery. So yeah. Ganito siya, guys.
This.
So let's go. Oh, I choose they have two colors. Actually meron na itong latest version, pero kinuha ko yung lumang version kasi yun lang ang abot kaya namin. So
white?
So I choose white, but they have also black.
So they have this way.
There we go. So ito yung on. So dito ilalagay yung battery. Ayan. So by battery siya. Tapos pwede mo siyang ganyan. Pwede rin siyang yes.
There's a speaking word.
So that's hold like that. Ayan. So and then siya na din siguro magro-rotate yung sarili niya. Kasi kailangan pa natin siyang iset. So ito siya, guys. So, ganito siya mangyayari. So but we got this is black, but we got the white one. I like white than black.
I like white.
Yeah. So next video, guys, we are going to show you how to set up and how to use it. And thank you for watching. And please don't forget
To like and ring the